Get in there. Hopefully I won't do me nuts. Sinks a bit. Fucking hell. Alright. Got a feeling there's going to be quite a bit of metal down here. Yeah. I'll pick one side there. Not a lot of space. Right, let's do it. Yeah. Right, I'm in the centre. Any holes? Am I going to fall down anywhere? Nah, that's all good. Fucking hell. Iron. Fucking everywhere. That's all in the, look, it's all that in the concrete. That little hole there, look. Field mouse. That is field mouse activity, that is. Pest controller, by the way, people, I know these things. I'll get this tin can out of the way. Let's get your pit behind me. Get that little seat there. Fucking iron signals. X marks the spot, as they say. Ooh. Now that's picking up me pickaxe. Oh, it's in there somewhere. Oh, I didn't bring my pinpointer with me. Fuck's sake. Well, I'll have to dig in with my hands in, innit? See what it was. Oh, it's going to be tough. It's iron, isn't it? It's an iron signal. Hoping it be an old bullet or something. Why did I not bring me bloody pinpointer, dickhead? Oh, fuck this and get me pinpointer.